Duxtop LCD 1800 watt portable induction cooktop countertop burner 9600 LS. Does your kid like going to the kitchen all the time, especially when you are cooking? Do you fear that he or she might get tangled with a hot cooktop? Don't worry, this Duxtop cooktop has a built-in safety lock system for kids. Its burner will only be activated if you'll press and hold the safety lock key for about 3 seconds. Amazing, isn't it? For this reason alone, it can be considered the best Cuisinart portable induction cooktop. This induction cookware makes use of 120 volts, 15 amps of electricity, which is standard to all homes. Its digital LCD sensor and touch control panel makes it very stylish and easy to operate. If you need to cook something for a long period of time, you can set its digital timer for 1 minute to 10 hours. This allows you to do other chores while safely cooking. Its temperature ranges from 100 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the Duxtop LCD 1800 watt portable induction cooktop countertop burner 9600 LS for the right cookware materials like cast iron, stainless steel with a magnet on its base, and aluminum enameled steel and iron for efficiency.